Welcome! Today, we're diving into the latest update on Instagram that allows you to reply to stories using emojis directly from your PC. This feature adds a fun and expressive way to engage with your friends' stories, making your interactions more lively. Let's walk through the steps to get you started. First, open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on your home feed. Next, open the story you want to reply to. At the top of your feed, you'll see circular profile icons representing the stories from accounts you follow. Click on the profile icon of the person whose story you wish to view. This will bring up their story for you to enjoy. Now that you're watching the story, it's time to click on the sending message bar at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can type a message or choose an emoji to express your thoughts about what you've just seen. Finally, choose the emoji that best fits your reaction. When you click on the message bar, a selection of emojis will appear for you to choose from. Simply click on your favorite emoji, and it will be sent as a reply to that story. This new feature is not only convenient, but also enhances the way we communicate on social media. Emojis can convey emotions and reactions much more effectively than words alone. So next time you see a story that catches your eye, don't hesitate to respond with an emoji. That's all there is to it. Enjoy connecting with your friends in a more vibrant way through Instagram stories using emojis right from your PC. Happy Instagramming!